everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is another gaming kind of video. Today I'm a loner today as well. In this video I've actually got a couple of packs that I was given by my husband. Funny enough, he told me I can go and buy a few, so I went ahead and bought 3. He bought me 2 and I bought 1 for myself. I felt like 2 was not enough, and we're trying to get the whole deck of Archazia'S Island, and this is the only way we're going to do it, guys. If we don't grab a few more of these, my sister's actually going to buy a trove as well, hopefully today, so we might have that video on here as well, because you know we need the content and stuff like that. And whilst I was out, I actually went and purchased these, which are the Precise Fit 100 sleeves by Ultimate Guard. These were from a local store called Planet Console in Birkirkara. Again, I just got a couple of things just whilst I was there. I actually did get, funny enough, I'm going to actually show this on the viewfinder here. I will probably do it bigger. I got another binder. This is again from Ultimate Guard. This is the Zip Folio 24 pocket 480 binder. He only had a navy blue. Ideally, I'm going to try and either try and get colors depending on the series. I do have this one from, I'd like to say Ultra Pro. Ultra Pro. This is like the faux leather. This holds currently all my chapter 7, so Archazia'S Island's all in here. We have foil and non-foil, legendary and everything like that. Again, we do have the Precise Fit on hand, because if we do have any legendary, if we're lucky with these 3 packs, we do want to sleeve them. Again, I didn't have the sleeves in at the time, and I need to go grab some because I did order some online, but they're going to take a while to get here, so I need to get some for now. So without further ado, I thought we'd just open these up and see how lucky we are with these. So let's open up this one. This is the Archazia'S Island. I did go ahead and quickly open these in advance just to make life easy to open them, because I take forever to open these, guys. So it'll be easier and we won't be here for all day to do the video basically. So the first one we have is Tika, which I think we've already pulled. Moana I've pulled because I've just done my portfolio for my binder for chapter 7, so I already know which ones I have most of the time. Yzma we have as well, so this is the Aspirated Schema. Canine Crunchies, you know, guys, we've pulled this. This is 101 Dalmatians. Stabbing Brother, I'm not sure if I've pulled the foil of this one, can't remember. We have Dr. Calcio, which is another common. Perla, I don't think I have Perla. So this is Nimble Seamstress, and this is again Cinderella, so it's nice to have that. We have Maurice's Machine. We have Fix It Felix Jr. We do not have this one. This is an uncommon. Our first rare is Mittens. I do not have this. Sassy Street Rat. Steep Street Rat. You can tell I love Aladdin. Sassy Street Cats. I can't remember where this one's from, but it is such a gorgeous illustration, guys, like so cute. Next we have a super rare, guys, so I'm gonna put that there. Bolt, I don't think I have Bolt. So this is the one of those duo, I can't remember what they called it. So you have, I'm sure that's steel, but I can't remember what that is. I can't remember. I know they're gem based. So we have a super rare Bolt Super Dog, and oh, we have a common Bolt Headstrong Dog foil, which I don't think I have either. So that's what we have and what we've pulled with that first single pack. Not bad at all, actually, not bad at all. Okay, let's go into the other pack and see what we've got. Okay, I'm hoping, as I mentioned before, for Aristocats I still need to get Thomas O'Malley and Duchess, so I'm hoping we can get something out of here. So we have Yzma, the transformed kitten. We have Pepper, quick thinking puppy. We have Hiro Hamada, the future champion. We have Kalone, battle tested. Cybug, we have this one, the invasive enemy. Bolt, we've got the normalized Bolt here, so that we've got that set ready. Headstrong Dog. Going into the uncommon, we've got Thomas O'Malley, guys. Yay, we've got him. Okay, now I just need Duchess. Can we get it in this pack or the next? Oh my god, oh my god. We've got Thomas O'Malley. I'm sorry, he is what I needed to get the set, but now I need to get all the foils. So Baymax Giant Robot, followed by Ruby Coil, followed by our first rare. What do you think? We need to get some new ones, guys. We have Beast. I think I have the starter deck foil of this one, which is the Frustrated Designer. I feel like we have it, but we have it in foil. All is found. I think I have this as well, so I might be giving this to my sister as her second one. And we have foil, another foil boy. Oh, they're different ones. Look, they're all different. This is Dependable Friend. So there's different bolts. So we're definitely going to be getting 3 different bolts in here. In this, I haven't really checked all the card list with all of them available, but oh my god, that's actually quite good. I'm happy with that. So we've got 2 rares in that one and a foil. No legendaries, guys. I was hoping for a legendary or an enchanted. Let's see how lucky we are with the last pack. What do you guys think? Oh, I really want one. Okay. Pain. Honey Lemon. I think I have the foil in this one. This is the Chemistry Whiz. We have Baymax Low Battery. I feel like I have that one. Susie. We have another Cinderella, guys. She is the Master Seamstress. Because we already had the... Who did we have? What was her name? I'm just going to check your voice. No, I'm just curious. Her actual... Oh, is it Perla? I feel like it was Perla. Let me just... I'm just trying to go through them quickly on the side. Yes, so we have Perla and Susie, but they're not in the same area, so they're both different. So we did get Susie, Perla on the other one. So next, Unconventional Tool. We have Mulan, which I feel like we've got. This guy is Soldier. Going on to the uncommons, Magical Maneuvers. We have Peg, which I feel like I've got her because I think she was in the beginning of my binder when I was doing it yesterday. Followed by Helga Sinclair. And for our first rare, very curious to see what we've got. We have Cusco, Temporary Whale, Storyborn King. We do not have him. Wow, that's a really nice. I love the illustration in this, guys. It's so pretty. Do not have him. So we have another rare now. Donald Duck. We have Daisy Duck. I don't have Donald Duck. Lively Pirate. So he's a new one for the set. Oh my god, Duck of Action. Whenever this character is challenged, you may return an action card that isn't a song from your discard to your hand. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, and lastly for this whole set, we've got a foil common. I hope it's not one we have. Let's hope. Let's go. Drizella. Oh, we have Drizella. We have Drizella, guys. So, and that's a card piece. So honestly, we did get some good pieces. Got Thomas O'Malley, which we know we love. As for foils, we've got 2 different types of bolts, which I have never had before. So those are going in my pack. I'm going to sleeve them as soon as I finish. For our super rare, we've got bolt again in a different illustration, which again I don't have. So I'm kind of happy about that. Followed by our rares, we do have Donald Duck, which I don't have. Cusco, which again I do not have in my stack, so that's great. All is found is going to my sister because I have one, so it's great that she can get one. Beast, I feel like I've got the foil Beast in this one because if I'm not mistaken, that came with that starter deck that you can get of the Beast and Belle, so I think that's one I've got. And Kittens, Mittens, Sassy Street Cat, I do not have as well. So we've got some really cool new rares for the pack of Series 7 Crazy Island. We've got my Thomas O'Malley. We just need Duchess left, and then I just need all the foils to complete that Aristocat challenge. And we have these. Let me know, guys, know down below if you are enjoying these kind of type of videos with Lorcana. Subscribe if you haven't. Let me know if you are excited for the next trove that we're going to be unboxing, hopefully with my sister very soon. I know we're going to go buy it today, so we're probably not going to take that long to film it. We do have a couple of videos going up on the channel. We have a lot in store when it comes to Lorcana. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.